Yeah, this is Mark Geist. I'm one of the co-authors of 13 Hours, the true account of what happened in Benghazi, which was made into a major motion picture, 13 Hours, the Secret Soldiers of Benghazi. And I'm here with Laser Shot. If you want something that's great to train with Laser Shot. That's what I do. It'll keep you on your toes. You know what? They got a great product. They've got some new stuff that is coming out. You're gonna love it. You wanna come by and check it out. It's great for training, great for your kids, great way to start people into the gun industry and how to handle firearms and do it in a safe manner, but still make it enjoyable.